Welcome! If you're looking to add a bit of fun and personality to your group chats on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to send a GIF to a group on X using your PC, following the latest update. First, open your browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen and find the Messages icon. Click on it to open your direct messages. Now you'll see a list of your conversations. Find the group chat you want to send a GIF to and click on it. If you don't see your group right away, you can use the search bar at the top to type in the group name or the usernames of people in the group. Once you're inside the group chat, you're ready for the fun part. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll notice a row of icons. Look for the one labeled GIF. It usually looks like a small square with the word GIF inside. Click on this icon, and a GIF library will pop up right in your chat window. You can browse trending GIFs or use the search bar to type in a keyword and find the perfect animated image for your message. Once you spot the GIF you want, simply click on it. Instantly, it will appear in your message box, ready to go. All that's left to do is hit send. Your chosen GIF will now be delivered to everyone in the group, adding a touch of humor or emotion to your conversation. It's that simple, no downloads or extra steps required. So next time you want to make your group chat more lively, remember these easy steps. Open X in your browser. Go to Messages, enter your group, click the GIF icon, choose your favorite, and send it off. Enjoy chatting and have fun sharing those GIFs.